Program pemusatan latihan yang dilakukan Timnas Indonesia mendapat kritikan dari pelatih PSM Makassar. Bernardo Tavares menilai pemusatan latihan atau training camp banyak merugikan tim Juku Eja. Hal ini lantaran PSM harus kehilangan dua pemain mereka, masing-masing Sultan Saki dan Saki Ashraf. Sementara PSM tidak pernah mendapatkan informasi terkait perkembangan pemain selama jalani pemusatan latihan.
I don't understand because before I speak, that was not the FIFA schedule, and we let go our players and other teams that have more money, more power than PSM Makassar, they keep the players. So please, if it's to keep the players, we call our players also, because I think it's more important the players work and have chances to play with the Sato that are training without games. Who develop the players is the club. I repeat, who develop the players is the club.
Timnas Indonesia sendiri memang tengah jalani pemusatan latihan untuk persiapan Piala Dunia usia 20. Pemusatan latihan ini dilakukan sejak awal Februari hingga 18 Maret 2023 mendatang.